B2B, prospecting strategies. How can AI revolutionize your approach? AnyBiz. Remember when sales meant cold calls and generic emails? Those days are fading fast with AI. Imagine a digital assistant finding clients for you. It's now a reality. Let's explore how AI can transform your B2B prospecting. AI-driven B2B prospecting strategies. 1. Intelligent lead identification and scoring. Not all customers are ready to buy, but AI helps identify the best prospects. How it works. AI analyzes data from multiple sources, scoring leads based on how well they match your product. AnyBiz.io's role. AnyBiz filters 300 million prospects, tracks their behavior, and makes smart decisions to deliver top-quality leads. 2. Hyper-personalization at scale. Gone are generic emails. B2B buyers now expect personalized outreach, made possible by AI. AnyBiz's AI analyzes prospect data to create tailored messages across email and LinkedIn. It adapts content, timing, and follow-ups based on engagement, ensuring every interaction is personalized and effective. 3. Multi-channel outreach optimization. AnyBiz.io's multi-channel strategy email, personalized, well-timed messages. LinkedIn, tailored messages and comments. AI calls, real-time conversations. AnyBiz adapts and aligns messages across channels for a seamless, engaging experience. 4. Automated relationship nurturing. B2B sales is a marathon, not a sprint. AI ensures steady, relevant communication, keeping prospects engaged without pressure. AnyBiz's 24/7 AI agents track prospect behavior, deliver timely content, and adapt based on responses. When a prospect is ready, the AI seamlessly hands off to a human rep, maintaining a personal touch throughout. 5. Predictive engagement timing. Timing is crucial in B2B sales. AI helps reach prospects at the right moment. AnyBiz's AI analyzes data to find the best outreach times, tracking prospect behavior and industry trends. It adjusts in real time, ensuring billions of micro-decisions lead to perfectly timed interactions. 6. Content-driven prospecting. AnyBiz's AI generates and shares tailored LinkedIn posts that address prospect interests, positioning your brand as a thought leader. It also engages with prospects' posts, sparking discussions and aligning with other outreach efforts, like follow-up emails. 7. Intelligent website visitor tracking. Your website is a 24/7 open house. Intelligent visitor tracking lets you engage directly with prospects. AnyBiz uses IP recognition to identify visitors, triggering tailored outreach based on their behavior, like quotes or case studies. This transforms your website into a dynamic lead generation tool. 8. AI-powered sales conversation analysis. In sales, conversations hold key insights, but AI helps uncover them fast. AnyBiz analyzes sales interactions, categorizes messages, and crafts tailored responses, whether it's providing quotes or addressing objections. It optimizes your pipeline in real time, turning each interaction into growth. 9. Automated meeting scheduling and follow-up. AnyBiz's AI syncs calendars, finds the best meeting time, sends reminders, and manages follow-ups, all automatically. It optimizes interactions by learning patterns and boosting conversion rates. Implementing AI-driven B2B prospecting strategies. AI success depends on clean, updated data. Address team concerns by emphasizing that AI enhances their work, not replaces it. AnyBiz's plug-and-play CRM integrations make adoption easier, but allow time for training and adjustment. How to implement AnyBiz.io. You can find a detailed guide in our blog. The link is below the video. Before you move on, take a moment to show your support. Like and subscribe to keep up with all our latest releases.